the belt sander I picked up at Harbor Freight. I already got drum sander, and I got another. I love that desktop belt sander. It's pretty cool, but I needed something smaller like this to do, I don't know, edge stuff. Well, I like to sharpen things too. It'd be great for knife. I heard they're really good for sharpening knives. But as you can see, it's pretty dusty. It's been out in the garage for a little bit, a couple of weeks. I'm finally getting around to opening this thing right now. Boing. I have not. This is a true unboxing here. I haven't opened this thing yet, so hopefully it's in good shape. Should be. Well, it's like a adjustment handle of some sort. Well, this is metal, this is metal, this is metal, and this part is plastic. Well, that's okay. As long as it doesn't skip. I can't stand when they get loose and these teeth, you know, when the teeth strip, and then you can't, and this thing is pointless, and then you gotta just, you know, revert to a Allen wrench or something to tighten. Okay, hopefully that won't happen. Instruction book. All right. Hey. Uh-oh, styrofoam's broken. Back to Harbor Freight I go. Plastic, more plastic. Oh, this feels like genuine plastic in here. There you go, look at that, it's all like assembled already. So at least that's what it looks like. Except for the little cable. Yeah, look at this. Huh. I think this thing was like $29 or $39. I can't remember. It wasn't a lot of money. But there you have it. Wow. I didn't expect much, you know, but some of this is metal. Like this, the green parts seem to be metal. This is plastic, and you know, of course, the clear stuff is plastic, but that's fine. And yeah, all these knobs, plastic. Oh, this is whatever this is. This is metal. Looks like a yeah, probably a. Keep it in the metal. I forgot what they call this, but it's a, oh my god, the belt adjuster thing to keep it from going side to side, center of the belt. There's a side for that. My mind's gone blank. Well, here's the little table. What? Holy cow! I think this is yeah, feels like aluminum, like cast aluminum or something. Holy cow, I'm surprised it's metal. That's pretty pretty surprising. It looks like this goes here. Can't tell. There's no hole on this side, so I guess it's only on one side. This must go like this. And then this goes down here. And then that goes there. Okay. Well, it'd be much better if it was on this side. It's weird that they have the adjustment here, like up against this motor. That's going to be odd, but whatever. Okay. Let's see. I might actually look at the instructions. How does it say where's that washer got to go? Assembly, where is it? Ah. goes on the other side. Yeah, where's the washer? Okay, well, I'm guessing the washer goes on the outside. That's fine. There's no real, oh, there it is. Toothed washer. See that? Okay. Alright, well, let's just see. That's already, well, that part's all together already. Right. Okay. That's what they mean by toothed washer. I see. Okay. Okay, this is not. Oh no, below there. That's this. Okay. Oh, this, okay. I see. I gotta. Wow, this is not easy. You gotta get this nut in here and then through the slotted thing. That's how I can get the camera under there. You get this one through here and through there. All while filming. Well, if I wasn't filming, it'd be much easier. But, you know. Oh, I see how this goes. Okay, never mind. I did this wrong. It looks like tooth washer goes in there. Flat washer might go there, I guess. Yeah. Flat washer goes here. Or, no, I don't know. I like the idea. Sorry, I wasn't really filming that, was I? I like the idea of the flat washer going on the other outside of the table piece here. So we get that in there. Okay. And then this flat washer on this nut under here. I might just edit all this crap out. Nobody wants to see all this. Okay. Yeah, it'd be easier if we turn the bolt on the inside here. Well, there is a recessed hole that the hex head fits into, so it doesn't turn. I'm only going to be able to do this for a little bit until it's tight enough where it fits in there, and then it doesn't do it anymore. I'm like turning and then turning and turning and turning. Okay. Okay, so now I can do this, tighten, do that again. Tighten, I guess, okay. This feels really fancy. This plastic handle, wow. You can't really crank on this too much. I can feel it's just gonna snap. Okay. Well, it looks pretty good. Let me see, let me find, oh, I do have a square. Let's see. Tilt this up. I don't care if it's like perfectly square, but somewhat square would be nice. I think that looks. Oh, it's pretty damn good right there. Okay. Crank this down, try not to turn the table. There, okay, looks good. Let's plug her in. Okay. I'll plug right up here, hanging from here. Okay. Now this is probably where I'm gonna have to hurry up and turn this thing to center it as it's going. Oh, I like this. It's got a nice, okay, clear rubbery cover on the switch. Hey, you ready? Here we go. Let's see how loud this thing is. So far so good. Let's see. There's a piece of scrap plywood. too bad. Hey, you know, you can't beat this for $30, $40, whatever the hell it costs. It's really cheap. You know, if you just need this to sharpen it, this is a pretty coarse paper on here. I should unplug that before I touch that, but I don't think it's gonna come on. I'm guessing this is like, feels like 40 grit or something. It feels pretty hefty. It's, you know, pretty aggressive grit on here. But I went and bought, and while I was there, I got an 80 grit and a 120 to go with this. But so far so good. I'm happy with it so far. Of course, you know, nothing does better than the test of time, but I've only had this on for a few minutes, so, but so far so good.